I think this is the worst cold I've ever had in my life. This is the worst one. What? Who are you? What are you doing? Stop sneezing! Stop! Stop! There's too many of these! Oh no, what are we going to tell Shwamps? Oh!
Hey, Shwamps. Shwoops, I've got your medicine.
It's not my fault! I
What
swear!
the heck? What happened?
All I did was sneeze, and it created one, and now they're creating more with their sneezes.
Oh my goodness.
I don't know how to stop it.
So, are they virus?
I think so. Are you guys viruses? What should we do?
Hello. They're a little cute. Okay, try this medicine.
Oh. Okay, I'll try it. I don't know if it's working, but it's making
Hey, Shwamps. Don't sneeze. They're all gone.
Oh, what happened? I guess yawning is the cure.
Maybe.
I feel so much better. I don't even need to sneeze.
Do the medicine.
Shwamps.